Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look at this brand new 2025 Chaparral Lite 30BHS fifth wheel. This is a multi-slide mid-bunk front bedroom fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of this RV and basically kind of show you what it's all about. We're going to also close it up at the end and show you what it looks like closed as well. So we'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Chaparral Lite 30BHS fifth wheel here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a rear living room, mid-bunk, front bedroom, fifth wheel style here. But we're going to start back here in the back and we will kind of work our way around the RV for you. So back here against the rear wall, you're going to have a Greystone electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You got a Furrion sound bar there as well, and a TV. You're also going to have some storage beside the fireplace and also up above the TV area there. You're going to have the windows on each side that do actually open. Over here, you're going to have theater seat, kick back and recline. Pulled down roller night shades on the windows down here. And you're going to also have some overhead cabinet space as well. Now over on this side, you're going to have what they refer to as a tri-fold sofa. This will flip out, make into a bed, so you could sleep an extra guest or two down here as well. The windows are deep tint safety glass windows, and all the windows in that slide out area there open as well and have the blackout roller shades on them also. Now this one was ordered with the dinette table and 4 chairs. So you have 4 individual chairs there that do have a little bit of storage underneath the seat cushion. And you have your dinette table, which is technically attached to the wall over there. They're using that woven material on the slide floor over here. Kind of looking up at our ceiling, you can see one of your ducted ACs here. A little bit of a decorative lighting up there above your counter. There's a propane leak detector and electric outlet on the end of the counter there. You're going to have the Everchill 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator right there. You have multiple drawers down below. You also have that Greystone oven with the glass front, 3-burner cooktop, flip up and down glass lid. The window behind the oven there does not open. Have Furrion hood range light and fan there, and a high point microwave that they're currently using. Over here, you're going to have some upper cabinet space. And then down below, you're going to have some more space down here as well for storage. Over here, you're going to have the digital thermostat for your AC system and also your propane furnace system with a multi-zone control here to kind of work through which one of the ACs you want to actually use, or use them all at once if you have the electric service at your campground to do so. Now in here you're going to have the bunkhouse area, and this bunk right here will actually flip up out of the way. You can latch it up if you want to, so you can have a little more headroom or something if they're just kind of sitting in here, maybe trying to watch some TV or something on a rainy day. You got an electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. There's also some drawer space down below, and you have some upper cabinet space as well. Moving on a little further. Got a little motion light down there to step up. We're going to have some controls right here. 12 volt tank heaters. That's very nice if you do any cold weather camping. You're going to have your 3 slide buttons right here. You're going to have your on in and out button, light switch, water pump, and monitor panel for your holding tanks to see how full they're getting. Then we're going to go into the bathroom area right here. There's a little vent fan up here, skylight above your glassed-in shower, porcelain foot flush toilet, we'll look at this from the other side as well when we come back around. You have a sliding pocket door here for privacy. You're going to have a swing door going into your master bedroom here. Window on each side of the bed, and those do open. Overhead cabinet space. You have an electric outlet and USB charger port on the right side, just an electric outlet over on the left side. You have end table on each side. Now the bed will also raise up, and there is a little bit of storage underneath it here as well. There's another little drawer down below. Now this is what they refer to in the business as kind of a mid-profile fifth wheel. So what that basically means to you, it's going to be a little shorter up here in this area for height and stuff. So you'll notice that there is a little bit of a step up down here. So if I do step up onto that, I do kind of hunch over a little bit, but standing at the foot of the bed, I have no problem standing up nice and easy. You're going to have the closet and bathroom slide out right here as well. So you have hanging closet up here. And you're going to have a couple drawers in there as well. You can see the second AC that was ordered on this one. Sliding door here to block off the bathroom area for privacy as well. Over on the wall right here is going to be the on-demand water heater controls too. Let's see what we got behind here. So we got a little bit of shelf space there. And again, you're going to have full extending above and drawer guided drawers here. But overall, a very nice mid-size family fifth wheel here. And we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. Then we're going to come back in here and show you what it looks like all closed up as well. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back on the outside of the all-new 2025 Chaparral Lite 30BHS fifth wheel here. We're going to start here on the door side and work our way around for you. So the first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of the cheaper wood Luan backer. You're going to have a lower black metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. You have deep tint safety glass windows on the RV. You're going to have this nice power awning with LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. They did put a JBL speaker right here, so you could listen to some music outside. You have one of your two 30-pound propane tanks right here on this side. You're going to have electric front stabilizer jacks with the quick pull pins and the larger feet there. The unit is pre-prepped for side cameras, a camera on the back as well. So you could do 3 cameras around the RV if you wanted to do so. Talk with your salesperson about that. It's a very nice system by Furrion that it's pre-wired for. You have a pretty good sized pass-through storage compartment area right here. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing there. There's a light up here, electric outlet in here as well. You have an electric outlet on the outside right here and a gas line hookup down below, so you could plug in a portable grill if you wanted to. Looking at our baggage door here, we are held up by magnetic holders. and it has the slam lock baggage door latches on that one as well. You're going to have the Lippert solid entry step here, rated for 500 pounds, adjustable feet, flips inside the doorway when you're traveling. Large folding entry handle right there. You have a window in here also that is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you can buy for that window. It's a dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, and it also has the nicer Road Armor center point suspension, which kind of acts like a shock absorber for RVs. It also has the spare tire mounted underneath the bottom of the back section here. This one was also ordered with slide out awning covers to cover the tops of the room. It's a nice feature to consider adding to your RV. It helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. You have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end here. Again, prepped in the top there for the Furrion rear observation camera. You have a ladder here that is rated for 250 pounds. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper. A lot of people like to store their dump hose on there. Some people occasionally put a small bike rack or something on there. Or you also have the 2-inch hitch receiver down below that you could also do a bike rack on as well. You have electric rear stabilizer jacks on the back, a little button down here on this side to control those. It has an enclosed underbelly. This unit also was ordered with a 200-watt solar panel that looks like it's just right up there on the edge of the roof. You're going to have two separate dumps here on this one. So you're going to have a dump area right here in front of the wheels. There's a gray handle there to pull. You're going to have freshwater tank drain down below here, hot and cold low point water drains. And then you're going to have your black tank and stuff over here along with your galley tank. On-demand water heater control right here, furnace exhaust out right here, hot and cold outside utility shower, black tank flush, and city water inlets. Detachable 50 amp power cord here as well. And then right over here, you're gonna have a little bit of a docking station area as far as some of your water controls. So you can feed the cable lines and stuff up through here. If you go to a campground, it has cable or portable satellite or something. But you have a little valve here to kind of direct which way the water goes. So you're gonna hook your city water inlet up here, and then you're gonna direct the water here. Also the winterizing hose right there. There is also a light switch here, and you also have a battery disconnect there as well. The other 30-pound propane tank back here. But right here, you're gonna have some real important informational stuff. So this sticker right here is the production date sticker. This tells me this RV was built 7/10 of 24, model number 30BHS, has a gross vehicle weight of 11,500 pounds. It's the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, do not exceed that number. It has a dry weight when this one rolled off the assembly line with these options at 9,680 pounds, exterior length 37 feet. You're gonna have tire size right now is ST205 75R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure. Also, another very important thing too from time to time, make sure you check your lug nut torque. Very, very important. Now the front here you can see is kind of bubbled out a little bit, trying to slope it back to make it a little bit more aerodynamic. You have a traditional pen box. You could talk with your salesperson maybe about upgrading that aftermarket, maybe get you one of those nice trail air rides or a more ride pen box or something. Couple LED light strips coming down the front of that. And underneath here is going to be a little bit of storage area. So there's a battery box down there, the front electric jack button right here to control the front jacks. There's a light in here as well, and basically some storage. All right, now we're going to step back inside. I want to show you what this thing looks like all closed up. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now back up inside the all-new 2025 Chaparral Lite 30BHS fifth wheel here. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like all closed up. So I've already gone ahead and closed up 2 of our 3 slides here for us. We'll do the 3rd one here at the end. But I just wanted to kind of show you again what it looks like closed. And it is very, very important to make sure that all your cabinet doors, your drawers, everything are closed up nice and tidy. Make sure your floor is clean so you don't accidentally run over something and damage your floor as well. So when it's closed up in the bedroom area, I could come up here, I could use my bathroom, I could use my shower. I'm not going in between there, obviously, because it does block off that entry exit way over there. However, I can still come in this side and use my bed. I could get to my little end table area, my overhead cabinets, but I'm not really getting into my closet. I need to kind of open that up to get to the closet. But if you're just stopping at that rest area, want to take a nap or something, you've been driving all day, wherever you're going, you can come in here and do so. Now, when you are ready to close up, again, you're coming here to these buttons to open and close your slide system. So this big slide over here is a electric worm gear system, basically, rack and pinion setup. It comes in up over top of your main floor a little bit and comes pretty much straight in, straight out. The slides are all 12-volt powered slides. So as long as you got a good charged up battery system, you should be able to run this thing in and out, or at least be plugged in. Okay, so when it is closed, again, that slide does not affect the front half of the RV, but it does block me off from the back half of the RV. So with it closed, I'm not really going anywhere. So that's very important. If you are going to stop at that grocery store on the way and throw in your food and stuff, or if you're stopping at that rest area and just want to grab a drink out of the refrigerator or something, you will have to bump the slide out a little bit. And you don't have to go all the way out to do so. Just bump it out far enough that you can walk by and get over there to that refrigerator and be able to get what you need to get. And again, it only takes a few seconds to run these things in and out as well. Pretty quick and easy. You can kind of see it coming out over here as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. As always, it is greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button down below. And as always, guys, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.